Hi, second graders. Alrighty. So, we're starting a new book this week, and the book that we're going to be reading this week is called A Bad Case of Stripes by David Shannon. Go ahead and look at this book, the front cover of this book, and we see a little girl. And this little girl is our main character. Main characters are who the story is mostly about. Many times the main character will face a problem. So when we're reading this book, we're going to be paying attention to our main character. We have already learned that you can describe characters. So you can describe what characters are like on the outside, and you can describe what characters are like on the inside by looking at their actions or their thoughts. So let's look first at our main character, and let's try as a class to describe what you see on the outside with our main character. So go ahead and pause the video and start describing what do you see on the outside. Okay, now that you've described what our main character is like on the outside, we're going to pay attention when we read what she's like on the inside.